Dala kami tissue kan. This is our room with Granny. Room 05. Yan, yan, yan.
Hello vlog! Welcome to my guys!
This is the room. Kasi dito sa Ifugao mahirap po magbukas ng pintuan. Ito pala siya. Tama lang. Ito siya sa gabi kasi pumunta kami sa Lamay, tapos papakita ko lang ang itsura niya sa gabi. Ito sa kabila kina Lolo at Lola. Oh, si Lolo. Yan. Dito lang. Morning everyone. Ito po yung room namin, si Lola. Kasama ko si Lola. Dito na po kami. Marble ang room. Ayan, may view while walking. Yan. Hecha na po sila. May restroom sila rito. Antayan ng guests. Ito po yung sa may taas. Auntie. Restroom. Nasa kusina ata sila. Let's see the restroom. Nakita niyo na kaya yung baba ng room namin. Nagawa Ifugao. Oh. This is the restroom pag nag-aantay yung visitor is waiting. There. This is for shower room. Cozy. Cozy, cozy. In front, we have bird. I love bird. You love bird? Yes, we do. Oh. Cozy place. In front is DPWH. It's easy. Yeah. This is the restaurant. It's so beautiful. Yeah, breakfast. Yes, sige, thank you. Ibababa yung breakfast namin. They'll put it down. This is outside. You will see outside. Mountainside Hotel. There. Pedralia Hotel. The other one. Pedralia Hotel. Our hotel is Mountainside. There. Oh, KGI Mountainside Hotel. Lagawe. Dalin ko na lang po dyan. Kung nakaturog pa lang ni Lolo.
Nakasukat. Ang suksukat nito. Di ba Ilocano kaniya? Yung kagsumbat ng Tagalog.
So, isot nang iyapanan ni attorney Dumugan eh.